Hey there! Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the exciting world of homeownership. Are you ready to take the leap into homeownership? It's a thrilling journey, but it can also be a bit daunting. It's one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make, so let's break it down step by step to make it easier for you to understand. First, let's talk about the advantages of owning a home. There are many benefits that come with homeownership. Owning a home is a long-term investment. It's not just about having a place to live, it's about building a future. It builds equity over time and often appreciates in value. This means that your home can become more valuable as the years go by. Plus, there's nothing like the stability and security of having a place to truly call your own. It's a space where you can create memories and build a life. And let's not forget the creative freedom that comes with owning a home. Unlike renting, you can paint the walls any color you like, knock down that outdated kitchen, or create your dream garden, all without a landlord's approval. Your home is your canvas. But what about the disadvantages? It's important to consider these as well. Buying a home requires a big upfront cost. This includes the down payment, closing fees, and inspections. These costs can add up quickly, and it's essential to be prepared for them. Make sure you have a clear understanding of all the expenses involved, and once you're a homeowner, the maintenance is on you. From fixing a leaky roof to mowing the lawn, all the responsibilities fall on your shoulders. Plus, unlike renting, moving isn't as simple as giving a 30-day notice. Selling your home can be a lengthy process. Selling your home can take months, and market conditions can impact your return. It's not always easy to find a buyer quickly. So how do you decide if buying is right for you? It's a personal decision that depends on various factors. Think about your financial stability. Can you afford the mortgage, taxes, and unexpected repairs? It's crucial to have a solid financial foundation. Can you handle the monthly expenses and still have a cushion for emergencies? It's important to budget carefully. Next, consider your lifestyle. Are you ready to settle in one place, or does renting better suit your current stage of life? Think about your long-term plans. Finally, consider the market conditions. Is it a buyer's or a seller's market where you're looking? This can significantly impact your decision. Understanding the market trends can help you make a more informed decision. It's always a good idea to do your research. Buying a home is a major milestone, but it's not one size fits all. It's a unique journey for everyone. If you're thinking about taking this exciting step, reach out today. We're here to help you every step of the way. Let's find the right path for your unique situation. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more helpful advice on your home ownership journey.